Did you know that the textile industry is undergoing a technological renaissance with innovations that could change the way we produce, use, and recycle fabrics? In this video, we'll explore the top 8 textile industry trends and the pioneering startups driving these changes. So, do you know what technological trend is the biggest in the textile industry? Let's find out. Trend number 8, immersive fashion. AR and VR technologies create interactive fashion experiences. Brands use AR for virtual try-ons, reducing returns and enhancing online shopping. Trend number 7, AI and data analytics. AI analyzes customer preferences and forecasts demand. Data analytics optimize inventory management and reduce waste. Trend number 6, 3D technologies. 3D knitting and printing enable rapid prototyping and customization, creating complex designs with minimum waste. Trend number 5, customization and personalization. Advanced software and digital printing allow consumers to design clothes online, choosing fabrics, colors, and styles. This fosters loyalty and reduces returns. Trend number 4, sustainable supply chain. Innovations in bio-based fibers, recycled materials, and waterless dyeing reduce environmental impact. Also, blockchain ensures supply chain transparency. Trend number 3, advanced apparel manufacturing. Automation and robotics increase efficiency and precision. Automated machines speed up production while maintaining quality. Trend number 2, smart textiles. Sensors and conductive fibers in textiles monitor vital signs, detect environmental changes, and adjust properties. Applications range from sportswear to medical garments. Finally, the biggest trend is novel textiles. Advances in material science create durable, breathable, and biodegradable fabrics. Innovations include spider silk proteins, lab-grown leather, and nanotechnology-enhanced fabrics with self-cleaning and UV protection. Now, let's dive into the free featured startup transforming the textile industry. For a full overview of all trends and top startups, head to our blog. The link is in the description below. Imagine if your favorite clothing could change colors on demand. Vividye, a Swedish startup, makes this possible with their reversible textile dyeing technology. Their system allows fabrics to be dyed and re-dyed multiple times without harming the material, reducing waste and extending the life cycle of textiles. This innovative approach addresses the problem of textile waste and fast fashion, making the industry more sustainable. Next, let's look at the startups that focuses on smart textiles for health monitoring. How can textiles contribute to women's health? Femtech, an innovative startup, integrates smart textiles with biosensors to monitor various health metrics. Their products include smart bras and other wearables that track vital signs, providing women with valuable health insights. This technology bridges the gap between fashion and health, offering practical solutions for women's wellness. Now, let's explore a startup that's revolutionizing sports apparel. Ever thought your sportswear could adapt to your activity level? MotorSkins, a German startup, develops adaptive textiles that respond to environmental conditions and physical activity. Their fabrics can regulate temperature and provide dynamic support, enhancing athletic performance and comfort. This technology not only improves the functionality of sportswear, but also sets new standards for performance apparel. Want to learn more about how textile technologies can transform your business? Click the link in the description below and book your free Discovery Platform demo today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay ahead of the curve with the latest market insights and trends.